ba ako nakaganyan? So, I colored my hair. Well, my sister colored my hair. I don't know if you can see the change in color. Yan. I did not bleach my hair kasi bawal. But yeah, hair is brown. And I have bangs. Yun lang. Going to pickleball right now. Yeah. Pawes. We can dance in slow. Sobrang cute niya, oh. Kaso nakagatan ko na. Cheese flavor. Milk tea shape niya. This one, custard naman laman.
Sarap to. Okay to. Bali mo yun yung volume mo sa.
Ay, hindi apit sa inyo dun. Aayusin yun.
Go ahead. Happy anniversary!
Cheers! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ang mahal ng parang may mahal sa tapos naman magpanils. Dito corner. National Fridays. Got Auntie Anne's itong chocolate chip cream cheese mix with almond. Thinking of getting this one, or this one, or this one. Dami. Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday and I'm setting up my laptop kasi meron ulit tayong consultation with Kindred. Today it's gonna be a diet and nutrition. Dietetics and nutrition consultation. Ito pinili kong consultation because I wanna learn more about the lupus diet. So maybe I'll share all I learned with you in another video excuse my hair kasi this is bed hair na tinali. Walang ayos-ayos. So, hanapin ko lang yung kanilang invite. Ang aga ko, andito na siya. Ang aga ng doktor ko, andito na siya. Ang aga din niya. We're 10 minutes early for the consultation. Also, sobrang cute ni Capuch. Magulo yung bed ko kasi. 3 days na siyang ganyan. Pinakalbo kasi namin siya, tapos parang parati na siyang nakadikit sa akin. Or, yan. Iniwan ko siya, tapos binalot ko siya ng kumot bago ako umalis kasi yun nga. Parati siya nakadikit. Anyway, let's wait for her. I also need a pen and paper for my notes. Diretso ko na sa notebook to. Nag-iba na yung screen. Pero wala pa siya. Hindi pa siya nag-talk. I'm excited. May nutrition plan for Julia Venida.
Hello po.
Hi, good morning.
Today po, I'm your nutritionist dietitian. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng at least 30 minutes po na session for today. So,
Okay.
ano pong gusto natin address na concerns or may mga questions po ba tayo gusto pasagot after the session?
For me lang, kasi I have lupus nga. I mentioned in the questionnaire. Yun lang naman yung from a specialist's point of view, kung ano talagang diet yun dapat for lupus patients like me. Specifically, lupus nephritis, which means na na-affect yung kidney ko. Yes. Yun lang naman for me, yung best diet for lupus nephritis. Dalawa na silang chumichill sa kama ko. OMG. Cute! I'm getting ready to leave na. And ito hassle pag may bangs. Kasi pag hindi mo ginanya kung saan sila pupunta. So, I think I wanna do a pony today. Para hindi mukhang magulo. Just bangs mamaya. See ya! We're leaving! Sarap nata. Mainit pa? Mami? Mainit pa?
Reminds me of milk. Quick.
Sarap, no? Good, no? Very good. This is also good. I like it.
Yun ang mainit.
foldable, di ba? Sa loob.
Hi!
Akala ko naman, ano siya hindi nag-gamit or pwedeng pakante na pwede.
Uy! Gumana din! Thank you!
Pin C, babe. Yung pin